Hello. So today we are going to look at this article about parrots. And this article is from Britannica Kids on the internet. And I went ahead and I highlighted some of the information that would be helpful. So the first yellow sentence says, the birds of the parrot family range in length from 4 to 40 inches. And now the green sentences, they say, parrots have relatively large heads set on short, stocky bodies, and most have short, rounded tails. Their large hooked bills are strong enough to chisel open the toughest of nuts and may be used like a third foot when climbing. And now for the blue sentences, they can climb trees, manipulate objects, and grasp their food as they eat it. And now the last pink sentences. Parrots and their relatives inhabit most tropical and south-temperate regions of the world. Most make their nests in the hollows of trees. Their usual diet consists of seeds and fruits, but many species also eat insects. Wow, that's a lot of information about parrots, and I think they are really cool. Go ahead and watch this video and listen to it as many times as you need to help you with your project. Bye now.